See if they come down. We've been invaded by birds. They're all in the trees. Thousands of birds. And they've been landing on the ground. See, there they are. They're starting to land again.
People are gonna be like, what's that?
Look, thousands of birds. Thousands. They were all in the yard. We're waiting to see if they're going to do that again. See? They're like falling from the trees.
What are they doing?
Oh, they're up there. Crazy. This is crazy. I kept hearing them this morning. I was like, what? Thousands of birds. They're all over the yard. They just keep going back and forth between the trees and the ground. What is the deal?
That's awesome.